To set up Trust Wallet Face ID login, start by opening the Trust Wallet app on your device. Navigate to the Settings menu, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or a gear icon. Tap on the Settings icon to access the menu. In the Settings menu, scroll down to the Security section and select the Face Recognition or Biometric Authentication option. This option may vary depending on your device, but it is usually labeled as Face ID or Face Recognition. Once you have selected the Face Recognition option, you will be prompted to enable Face ID for Trust Wallet. Confirm that you want to enable Face ID by tapping the Enable button. You may be asked to enter your device passcode or password to authenticate the request. After enabling Face ID, you will be asked to scan your face to register it with the Trust Wallet app. Look directly at the camera and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the face scan. This process may take a few seconds to complete. Once your face has been successfully registered, you will be able to use Face ID to log in to your Trust Wallet account. To test the Face ID login, close the Trust Wallet app and reopen it. When prompted to log in, look directly at the camera to authenticate your identity. It is essential to note that Face ID login is an additional security feature that enhances the security of your Trust Wallet account. It is still crucial to use a strong password and keep your device and app up to date to ensure the maximum level of security. By following these steps, you can easily set up Trust Wallet Face ID login and add an extra layer of security to your cryptocurrency wallet. Remember to always prioritize security when dealing with cryptocurrency transactions to protect your assets from unauthorized access.